do a group tour today. The tour will last for about an hour and a half daw. And then, after that, we can stay for how long we like. Yung note lang nung aming leader, walang food or drinks being sold inside. So, may maliit lang na shop dito, pero wala silang card payments. And then, toilets are also outside. Excited to see more of Gaudi today.
Trekking pala.
Dapat binili mo yung Salomon.
Hindi. Why? Guys, nakapag-decide na kami. Magre-renewal of vows kami sa Sagrada. Tapos, magpa-party kami doon sa for rent na bahay doon. So, that's... Nakapag-decide na siya.
Gaba 5 in Gwen. 5 years? 2033 matatapos yung Sagrada. Ilang years yun from now?
That's 8 years from now.
Oh, tama! 10 years na tayo noon. Gabajes in Barcelona. Gabajes Sagrada. Sagraba! Sagraba de Pamilya. Kasama yung pamilya namin. Tapos yung reception ng hashtag Dagabas in Gwen. Okay na, invited kayo.
Marami ako naisip.
Sige, invited kayo. Pakita niyo lang tong video na to para makapasok kayo sa Sagrada de Pamilya. Okay? You're welcome. May rule kami today, Spanish stuff lang yung kakainin at iinumin namin kasi
Third full day.
third full day na namin, hindi pa kami nakakakain ng Spanish food talaga. So, ngayon, nandito kami sa El Nacional. It's a parang, yun nga, social na food court. Tapos, meron siyang 4 areas. Where we are now, it's where you can get the tapas and paellas. Daming tao. 12 o'clock siya nagbubukas. Pero, 2:20, okay, we're gonna eat. Dumating na yung croquetas. Para lang kaming kumakain sa Barcino. Sarap. Sarap or gutom lang ako. Char.
Oh, ilan pa rin.
Sana dumating na yung paella. Gutom na talaga.
40 minutes.
Basta. Kapang. Medyo dry. Merong mas malasa than the others. Oh, it's here. Go, go, go. Go, baby. It's your birthday. You don't fall like it's your birthday.
Hungry.
Okay, let's eat. Action video or action video. Come on. Hindi ako na... Ay lang. May makulit na naman dito. Dalawang beer na naman.
1 liter.
1 liter. Ano ba yan? Uy. Back. So, super dami pa rin tao. Wala dito yung SA namin yesterday. Kaya, parang we're starting all over again. Daming tao. Mas madaming tao today than yesterday. Makakala ng mga tao kahapon in the world na. Kaya, ito na. Bawal daw sa sila today.
Gusto ko nga ng cheesecake tsaka mag-brownies. So, ayun. We're just waiting for her belt.
Thanks, sir.
We already paid for it. Ito na. May tax refund slip na kami. Yan.
So, another detour. Dito kami sa Las Mons Empanada. Staying true to Spanish food only
Yeah,
day.
that's our day today.
Cheers! Yeah.
Oh,
Grabe.
oh.
Pero pilit ka cheesy to.
That's good.
Ang lambat. So, this is perfect.
Here,
Yes, yes.
the roll is a little bit in the oven for warm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Enjoy.
you. Thank you.
Because we're in Spain. This is the original Spanish latte.
Mukhang matapang, no? Haluin ko muna siya. So, ano pala siya? Like, as in espresso. Tapos, may condensed milk. Yung tinry namin the other day, as in yung parang Spanish latte na alam talaga natin. So far, masarap yung mga kape dito sa Spain. Na? Guys, mga tao din sa TikTok, good job sa inyo. Sa TikTok ko lang ito nakita eh. Apparently, super sarap niya talaga. Like yung brownie, parang pa-cake na siya, parang pa-choco mousse na siya. Lambot ng loob. Parang choco fudge. Sarap. Super sarap, super sarap. Tignan nyo.
Tapos nilabutan mo pa ako, mayroon pang pa-side comment. May feeling ko talaga mag-take out ka nito.
Ano masasabi mo dyan?
kinuha ko is yung pistachio roll. Oh, sorry. Sobrang sarap kasi medyo paubos na hit. Kasi nire-heat nila eh. Para medyo mas gooey. Tsaka softer yung bread. Pero yung pistachio. That's it.
So, this place is called Afente. Parang 5 minutes away siya from Casa Mila. Just in case you'll be here, visit them. Mait pa ng mga tao dito. Ano? Okay, we're here. We're lined up for John Cake. Parang lahat na deprived dahil sa blackout kahapon. Nagsilabasan, nagsishopping, nagsikainan. Ba't nawala yung energy mo? Diba nag-dessert tayo?
Kasi I need more sugar.
Ay, ano yan? Sugar free yan
Eh?
Hindi. Na. Mamatsyag na ang aming team doon sa shop para pagpasok namin, hindi siya magpapanik kung anong o-orderin. Ito na, nagbabalik na. Nag-uulat, Mr. Gaba.
There are no names, but based on my observation, there's burnt cheesecake, there's pistachio or avocado cheesecake, there's tiramisu cheesecake, there's Biscoff cheesecake,
Bakit
and
tinutulak?
classic cheesecake. Just my guess.
Oh, anong gusto mo doon?
Everything.
Hi! You choose. Oh, it works by weight. Okay. Wow, look.
You also want that?
No.
Your badge, 24 euros.
Okay. We're gonna try the tiramisu cheesecake. Hindi ako mahilig sa cheesecake, but maybe I like this one.
I didn't even know this place existed.
Okay, try it. Get one. Bakit it tastes like a little like ice cream? Ang lamig at lambot ng loob.
Kasi crust. And one very tito comment, hindi siya galang matamis. It's really good. Di ba hindi rin namin sa tiramisu? Pero this tiramisu flavor is good.
Ang sarap. Okay, ang sarap. Ganda dito. Malapit siya dun sa cathedral. Pero hindi kami umabot dito nung first time namin mag-explore. Ito ay ano to? Churros. Sa tingin, sa tingin mo, ang daming tao. Are we missing out? Cherries.
Pila ka tayo?
Sige, pila tayo. Oh. A take away.
May chocolate con churro.
Okay. Tignan nyo.
Alam ko sa sarili ko hindi ko na kaya kumain.
O, di wag na. Tignan nyo. Ay, nako. Dessert kong dessert. Ayan, ginagawa nila. Ay, ganun pala gumawa ng churros. Oh. Ang galing. Go, 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 go. Anong lasa? Nang sugar lang. sausaw niya sa choco.
Oh, yes.
Sarap. Naiiyak sa sarap yung asawa ko.
Try it.
Dalawa na lang. Arte-arte pa tayo, maubos naman natin.
Pero masasabi mo, nag-strawberry.
Ang harap na with chocolate.
It's just
Spanish food din. Ang brownies ba Spanish food?
oh. But there's bonbon. Ano ba to?
Oo.
Guys,
Tama na.
nagmamalaki ng asawa ko. Sabi niya, feeling daw niya. yung
Wala
mga
akong sinabi.
Bibi, pag sinungaling. Sabi niya, yung mga tao daw dito, feeling tiga dito. As yung mukha yung seryoso. Walang bahay. As nung kinontra ko, nagkagalit.
Good morning.
Morning.
It's a beautiful day. Our last full day. It's the John Cake and the view of Sagrada. Good morning, Sagrada.
Why one staple?
One. Take one. Ganito.
Ito yun. Binigay natin.
Travel!
Galing pa Amsterdam.
Okay. One, two,
Matigas na yan. Kaya nga dapat iniinit. Sugar rush ka ba?
we're gonna have our second breakfast. Tatarantala kami, guys. Parang ito yung nag-iisang covered dito. Okay, ito na. Magde-decide na tayo. Let's go.
Decided to go to that place.
Kain na kami. Inuna namin yung parang sit down. Yahoo! Sangria for breakfast. This is our food. Dami na agad. First stop pa lang.
First stop. There's another one.
May patatas bravas pa.
Ikot namin. After nito, we'll try more. Pero baka ikaw na lang namin sa first time. Kumusta? Sarap. Ako hindi ko na kayang kumain. Inubos ko yung food namin. Ayan, sige. Ikaw muna.
Here at Dalston Coffee. Because this one got sleepy from drinking wine.